Hi friends, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your channel is not approved for the YouTube Partner Program, how to fix the issue. So let's get started. Once you will come on your Gmail, you will receive this kind of email. Your channel is not approved for the YouTube Partner Program. It looks like there is a problem with the monetization policy and YouTube partner program policy. So we need to read each and everything slowly and precisely to understand what they are looking for. As you can see, they are saying you have to edit or delete any videos. So we are on studio right now on monetization section. You can see currently ineligible for monetization. Let's click on the learn more button and then we see this page. So now we have to look our all videos and see which one we need to delete or edit according to their policy. I have made a couple of nice videos, but I think I need to delete a couple of videos. If you don't understand what you need to delete, please follow the YouTube channel monetization policy. And you can see here they have made recently some changes. Here you can see what they can check and how they review your channel. Now it's time to check our videos and to select which one we don't need or we need to delete. So on my channel I'm going to delete a couple of them. Now I have selected these three, and maybe I'm going to delete more videos if I'll find anyone unnecessary or not according to the policy. Then I'm going to delete forever. So click here. 3 videos are about to be deleted. I understand that deleting is permanent and cannot be undone. It will take some time to delete all those videos you have selected. Also, we can check any other information which is missing in this section. Now we go to dashboard and see here you have this information. You can just click on dismiss, as you have already deleted those videos. Those were not required and they were not according to the policy. After refreshing your page, you need to come to settings. Check also your information before you are going to submit. My channel is related to how to fix and hosting WordPress website and so on. So you can choose which one you want to add or delete. These are the basic information or basic keywords. Advanced setting. In advanced settings you can see I have selected this option, second one. My account is already linked, so I don't need to do here anything. Feature eligibility. Here you will see some information. Those are enabled. So now we go in permissions. We have got permission and agreement. I have already agreed with this agreement, but if you need to see some more information, you can come on this page and read it properly. I'm going to save now. Setting is saved. So what should you do next? The thing is, we will wait to reapply, and then here is the button, but the button will appear after a month. As you can see, they have already given this information when you will be able to reapply. In the meantime, you can edit or delete videos or update your videos details and follow the policy. On 9th of June, you will see reapply button as a green button, then you will able to apply. Thank you guys. I hope this video will help you how to reapply if your channel is not approved.